February and they're already this bad.
Hey!
What? How's it going, y'all? Today I got me and Kyra out here working on the 1986 Honda Fourtrax 350. Just trying to do a little more tear down. This thing's been sitting in a barn for a couple years, hasn't ran. And we're trying to get it back on the trails. So what I'm up to is just trying to tear all the plastics off, get it down to bare bones, and that way we can check all the wiring, fuel lines. We gotta make sure that everything is up to par because did some work on it last year and just didn't really have much luck. So we're just gonna check everything this year. So let's get to it. All right, Kyra, what do we got? Let's see. Hey, don't do that. Quit. So I'm pretty sure that this battery's dead. I bought the battery, I guess it was 2 years ago, a year or two ago. I bought this battery new, and we were making decent. I mean, we were making progress with the four-wheeler, but didn't quite get it there. So I imagine by now this battery has long been dead. We're going to go ahead and just unplug and remove it, get it out of our way. We don't have to worry about it. At a later date, we'll see if we can get this battery back up charged. We'll see if we can get this battery charged back up. But, may end up having to buy another one. We'll see. Kyra, what are you doing? Come here. Kyra, I don't think you need that. Well, I just really don't think you need a shovel. I don't know, just trying to do a good thing. Probably don't. Here, come with me.
Papa.
Went to get the multimeter. We got sidetracked. Somebody went to play in the rocks in the driveway. By the way, I have no idea what to do. Kyra! Well, once again, I've returned. I guess Kyra was sick of working on the four-wheeler. She wanted to go back in. She went and found her toys that were in front of the porch, and she went back inside. So we had to go find Mom. We're good now, though. Just me. So I wanted to check the battery on the lawnmower to see what kind of a reading I get on that, just kind of as a baseline to go off of. It turns out the key has been turned on the lawnmower for months, God knows how long. So, battery's dead on it. So I checked the battery in the Nissan, and yeah, I got like 12.5 volts on that, so at least now I'm sure that I know what I'm doing with this, so I know I'm getting an accurate reading, because that makes sense on the Nissan. That is a good running car with a fairly new battery. We put that battery in just a couple months ago, so the fact that it's reading a little above 12 volts makes sense. That's good. So this battery, while not reading 0, it's only reading like 2.5, 3 volts, so it's not totally gone, but it's no good. So I don't know. Maybe there's a chance we can charge it back up. Maybe we have to buy a new one. We'll find out. Not today though. Today we will just set it to the side.